Looking at a raptor, you are looking at the direct descendants of hunting dinosaurs.
He found something.
Yeah, trouble. And its name is Black Mamba. That's the kind of snack surprise you don't want to find in your lunch bag. Unless, of course, you're a hunter bird. The mamba can't get a bite on his skinny legs.
Plus, they're covered with hard scales that protect them from the fangs.
And there are talons on the feet.
And the hunter bird uses those talons to stomp snakes.
Yeah, Stomp. That's Stomp's specialty.
Stomp is an incredible snake predator. Whoa!
Oh, that was totally prehistoric. Raptors rock!
Okay, I'm in on this raptor roundup.
Me too. Even though they're like living dinosaurs, they're too cool to be afraid of.